going to make some egg wash now, which people like to put milk in their egg wash or cream, but I don't. People think it's an easy dish. They usually buy from the supermarket because they can't get their heads around how to make an egg wash and some crumbing, but I will show you very quickly how to make the egg wash, which is this one here. We do this so the breadcrumbs stick to the chicken.
Oh, yeah.
We've got flavoured breadcrumbs, so I won't put salt and pepper because these have got garlic and herbs in them. So in here we've got the chicken straight away here. So what I'll do is I'll spin defrosting for a little while. It is quite thick, so we're going to have to do some alterations to get this to work. Alright, this is actually quite thick. But what I'll do first is I'm going to cut it into 2 equal pieces. This is the thigh. Little trick for you guys that you might not know to do this. This is a lunch bag. And I'm going to use this to tenderize the chicken because we want to tenderize it or else it will not cook. So we'll put that in there. Get my little hammer out. Flap it out like that. Not to be too much because the chicken. There we go. So basically this is the progression. Flour, egg wash, and breadcrumbs. Very easy. And that's your standard schnitzel mix. There we go, right there. How do you check if the oil is hot? Well, it's got to do that. Can you see that? Can you hear it? Can you see it? It's frying already. So once you know it's frying, by dropping a few breadcrumbs in, that's when you can put your schnitzels in. Just like that. And also concentrate on the volume of oil. If the oil starts to become less because we've made a mistake with the quantity, you're going to have to add oil and bring the oil back up to heat. Using the same method of testing it by sprinkling in some breadcrumbs from the schnitzel and seeing if that bubbles or not. If it bubbles, you put your schnitzel in, okay? Common mistake everyone makes. You're not going to get golden schnitzels like that by putting your meat into the oil that's not hot enough. So it must sizzle when you put the breadcrumbs in. You touch the schnitzel and you lay it and the whole thing must sizzle from the very first or else it becomes damp and it will soak in the oil and it will be really terrible. I usually fry with 2/3 vegetable oil and 1/3 olive oil. So always make sure you've got plenty of volume of oil and you're going to get the perfect schnitzel. That's the consistency you want. Nice and golden. And this one here, nice and golden. And then this one here I've just put in. But that's the color that we're looking at. That's a good color. And here we go. And they've come up on the plate now.
Cooking is fun, but cleaning dirty kitchen is boring. A lot of people are not sure what to do with used cooking oil. You are not allowed to pour oil down the drain. I always use shredded paper. Make sure oil is absorbed into paper fully. Then put into plastic bag.